I was just in shock. It was just this cultural soul just being washed away. As soon as the storm cleared, we were here standing side by side, and then we start to move. Because that's what artists do, right? We are literally doers.
After Helene, some of those days we just looked at each other and thought, wow, this is tough, but every day we saw progress. Of the 500 artists that we represent, we have a great percentage that are North Carolina and regional artists. We have a lot of artists that were affected by the storms themselves.
Asheville's art scene is very unique. We have a very rich history in music and craft in this region, but it's really unheard of to have this density of artists in a town of our size.
Music has always been the one common bond that all humans can share in, and that's never been on fuller display than it was post-Helene. Just seeing the collaborative spirit rallying around each other, that urgency to get to Asheville is being renewed right now. I think people are excited to support Asheville and get here to see a show.
It is such a special time to come back to the River Arts District because who you're meeting are the makers and the creators and the dreamers. And sometimes when you're in a gallery, you see something that someone created, but it speaks to your soul. And that's a connection that can't be manufactured.
What can you do to support the arts community right now? You can show up. You can buy a ticket. You can go visit a gallery, take a class. You are supporting jobs, you're supporting small businesses, and most of all, you're supporting Asheville's creative spirit.